Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We're gonna jump straight into the look. We're gonna be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the color 110 Fair. I always tell y'all use a lighter concealer so your eyeshadows will pop, but I'm using a pigment stack today, so these are gonna pop regardless. But yeah, so for this look, y'all, I definitely went out my comfort zone, and it actually was not that hard. I was so surprised at how good it came out. But the biggest tip that I'm going to give y'all is just to make that shape with the concealer before you try to start applying your colors and all that. So y'all are going to see how I make my shape at the top. So I'm going to do the top. I'm going to do the full thing first, and then I'm going to do the bottom. Okay, y'all, so I'm using my finger just to blend it out and get it really smooth. Alright, y'all, so we're going to be using this neon pigment stack from the Makeup Plug. At first, I was only going to do 2 colors, but once I realized I had a lot of space, I decided to do 3 colors. But with this, honestly, y'all, you can freestyle this, do whatever colors you want, however many colors you want. That's just completely up to you. Another tip, like I popped up on the screen, y'all, with these, less is more. And also, I dip it in the top, and then I tap off the extra, because literally less is more. You get way better results when you just use a little bit at a time and just pack it on when you're doing it. And the owner herself told me those tips, and ever since she told me that, I just been so happy, y'all, because my looks come out way better. And I ended up grabbing this smaller brush so I could get more precise. I didn't want the pigment to be going over where I put the concealer on my eye. So using this smaller kind of flat brush, it helps better. So if you got some of those, definitely use those. I'm all in your video. Alright, y'all, so I'm just grabbing another flat brush, and I'm going to put on this green, and then I'm going to do blue. So I'm just going to fast forward this part because this is the easy part. This is like doing regular eyeshadow. So I'll come back and talk some more once I'm actually doing the details. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking the Garnier Micellar Water, and I'm just going to clean up under my eyes so I can go ahead and start on these lines now. So I'm using the Sharp Me eyeliner by the Crayon Case. You can use whatever works best for you to do your eyeliner. Yeah. Okay, so as y'all can see, your girl was nervous, okay? But you just got to take your time, get your hand positioning right, whatever's going to work best for you. If you mess up on this part, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm going to give y'all the same advice because, y'all, as I was doing this, I was literally watching a tutorial. So try to make smaller lines. That's all you can do. Start small and then try to thicken them up as you go, because if they're smaller, you know, it's an easier fix than if you went in with a thick ass line. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so right here I messed up and I went a little bit over where I wanted it to go. So I literally just took my Q-tip and that micellar water and I was able to get it off really easy. So I was happy about that. So if y'all do make any mistakes, just try that method. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner, and this is literally the easiest part, y'all. Just put the dots. Don't use a lot of pressure. The more pressure you use, the bigger you make the dots. So if you want them big, use more pressure, but you know, you can make a mistake, like I said. So just start off light with anything you do, honestly, with this process. And then if you want it to be a little bit more, then use more pressure or whatever. Okay, so I'm just putting these little gems on. I got these from Joann's a long time ago. I need to go back because I used the rest of them on this look. But the girl I was watching, she just got nail gems off Amazon, and I think she stuck hers on with like lash glue or something. But y'all see how mine's come on that little sticky sheet, so I didn't have to put nothing on them to stick them. So that's why I like those. But you can use whatever you got. All right, y'all. So when I got to this part, I didn't know how I was finna do this because the girl I was watching, she just went straight in with her color. But I decided to just stick with what I had did at the top, which is just make that shape with the concealer. So that's what y'all about to see me do right here.
Bouncing down here, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight, long weed sold in, say it again,
Nothing. All right, y'all. So this is how the look ended up coming out. I was so freaking happy, but I hope I was able to help y'all. If I was, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and cut y'all notifications on.